wise man once said, if you do not schedule a break for yourself, your body is probably going to schedule one for you, and it would not be at a convenient time. If you keep ignoring the signs that your body is giving you, it will eventually pull up a surprise on you. Always take at least 5 to 15 minutes, even 30 minutes break away from your workstation. You can take a break to stroll, enjoy nature, touch grass small. Also try to interact with people and not just be at your desk every now and then. When you get back to your desk, you will see that you will get to be more productive than you were when you were initially in front of the screen. So, besties, try to schedule breaks in between your work so that you can be productive and so that your body is not going to pull up a surprise on you one of these days, because you're not going to like it if you fall sick because you are not resting. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Then share this video with a workaholic. Let them see the importance of taking rest in their activities for the day. Thank you.
BTS, our money any line of work. Especially when they touch the grass.
That's my videographer. I beg, come here, Jare.
I cannot shoot nothing. The audience are coming.
Right.
Hi. Oh, you're smiling. She's doing video.